In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy tabs across Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself needing to transfer a sheet from one spreadsheet to another in Google Sheets, you've come to the right place. This is a simple and effective way to ensure that your data is seamlessly copied over, and it can save you time and effort in recreating the sheet from scratch. To begin, you'll want to open the Google Sheet containing the tab you wish to copy. Once you're inside, your first step is to navigate down to the tab at the bottom of the page. You'll notice there's an arrow icon right beside the tab name. Click on that arrow to reveal a small drop-down menu. Now, from the menu that appears, you'll want to select Duplicate. This action will create an exact copy of your current tab within the same spreadsheet, and it will appear as a new tab with a similar name. With the new duplicate tab ready next to the original, it's time to take the next critical step. Again, click on the arrow beside the duplicated tab name, bringing up the same drop-down menu. This time, we have a different selection to make. Click on Copy To. This option is the gateway to transferring the duplicate tab to another existing spreadsheet. Now that you've selected Copy To, a new dialog box will appear, giving you a couple of choices. Here, you'll want to select Existing Spreadsheet. This decision tells Google Sheets that you want to move this tab to a different pre-existing spreadsheet rather than creating a new one. Next, a search field will appear, inviting you to enter the name of the spreadsheet you wish to copy your tab into. Go ahead and type the name of the target spreadsheet in this search area. As you type, Google Sheets will start to suggest files that match your search criteria. When the correct spreadsheet appears in the suggestions, click on its name to proceed. After selecting the desired spreadsheet, you'll notice the option to Insert. By clicking on Insert, you're approving the transfer of the duplicated tab to the specified spreadsheet. Finally, to wrap up the process, click on Done. This action completes the transfer, and your tab is now successfully copied over to the designated Google Sheets document. You've just learned a quick and efficient method to move tabs between sheets, ensuring that your data is available exactly where you need it. And that's all there is to it. Now you can manage your data across different spreadsheets more effectively. Give it a try and enjoy the versatility this skill brings to your productivity toolkit. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more tips and tricks.